everybody, this is Kathy from Cat Sale Crate, and I am coming on with a small haul from Tuesday morning, Walmart and Dollar Tree. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you what I picked up at Tuesday morning. It wasn't a lot because they actually did not get anything in this week. Craft wise, they did not get anything. They got a lot of spring stuff. So this is all I was able to get this time. So I did get this right here. And these are cosmetic sponges, and I figured I'm gonna do some probably some painting with this, so hopefully it works out for what I want it for. I also got this AC cardstock. I've been seeing a lot of people haul this. My question is, I paid $6.99 for this. Is that what everybody's paying for this item? Now it is a 12 by 12 and it has 60 sheets, 20 different colors, and it is a 80-pound. So I picked it up. I do like it. I'm just wondering if that's what everybody's paying for this item. I also picked this up. It's a We Are Memories. I got it because it's for the photo sleeves. It's a photo sleeves, but I want to start doing some shakers. So it's a multi-pack, so it has different ones, and these are the different ones that it has in here. So I figured I can always make different type of sizes of shakers. So for $2.19, I really cannot pass on this one. So I believe this is, excuse my glare, it's a little gloomy here. So I do apologize if you see a lot of glare, if it's dark. Okay. And that's it for my Tuesday morning. I told you guys it was a small haul. I also went to Walmart and I found these. These are paper clips, the mini ones, and look at the size on these. So anyways, these were 25 cents for each pack. So awesome. I went ahead and got them because you can always use binder clips in any of your projects. So I got me 3 erasers. They were 10 cents, so I picked them up. Memo books, 10 cents as well. And I think I only got 5 of these because they only had very little. And index cards, ruled. And I did get me about 4 of these. And trust me, I need some of these so I could write down from the back of my index cards. So yep, that's all I got from Walmart. Anyway, so let me go ahead and show you. I don't know if anybody went to Micheals, this last advertisement that they had where they had purchase $50 and get $20 off. So I did go. I actually bought online, which was awesome. I got such an awesome deal. I picked up this. I don't know if you could see. It's originally $100. I got it for $40. Not only $40, but because it had that spend $50, you get $20 off. I actually paid $24 something for that. Wow, I've been eyeing this drawer for a while, and I decided to try and see if the coupon was actually going to work on the online purchase, and it did. So I actually went ahead and picked it up today. My hubby has to bring it into the house because it's pretty heavy for me. I also ordered this, and this is like I don't know, it's like a card keeper. It was originally 7 something. I think it was $7.99. I know it was like $19 or $16 regular price, but with that 70% off clearance, it was like $7.99, I believe. And I actually paid $4.65 for this. Isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh, I was like so in love. So I was so happy with that. And then I picked up an iris container. They're $4 off, and with that $20 off, I paid $2.45. So for the whole purchase, I actually paid with taxes was $34. Isn't that awesome? I was like excited. Yes. Anyways, I went today to pick up these items. Sorry, I was trying this out. See how awesome it is? For So anyways, what I did purchase was these. These were all $1 each. So look at how awesome and beautiful these are. I'm also sorry, I'm a little unorganized because I have stuff in here. I paid that one right there. Basically, I got a lot of these flowers. I have a lot of projects I want to work on, and I have no flowers. And making my own flowers right now, it's been pretty hard. So $1 for that, I couldn't pass it off. And this one too as well, I paid $1 for this. Anyways, as I was there, I don't know if any of you guys have seen. I know. Let me put this in here. I don't know if you've seen. Well, everybody's seen the iris containers, right? Anyways, for an additional $2.40, I got me this. This is an recollections storage container, and it's a little bit bigger. You can't really see it. Let me try to get my camera. And there you go. And let me compare this to the regular iris. I don't know if you could see it. You see that? This is actually, excuse my mess back there. This is almost like 2 iris in here. You see? So it's almost like 2 irises in here. So for $2.40, I went ahead and got that. So this is what I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, these are egg storage, and it's awesome. It has plenty of room inside, so you can use this for either your eggs or for any of your other crafting items. So awesome. I got me this. Isn't this cute? Love begins with you. This is so cute, and look at it is a notepad. I also got me this frame. I'm actually going to alter this. So I like that it was the length of it, and I'm going to take this off. It's really beautiful by itself, but I am going to do another DIY with it. I got me some of these. Excuse for the glare. There you go. I got me some of these poll stickers. I love these. These are awesome. Can never have enough. I got me some sponges. I'm going to do a DIY today sometime soon. I got me these highlighters. I've been wanting to see how these work, so hopefully they're pretty good. And another one of these. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch this haul. I do apologize for the glare. It's gloomy here. There's nothing much I could do about it. I should have used more light. I tried, but it didn't work. So again, thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on our next video. For the new subscribers, hopefully you like my video and subscribe. For the continuing subscribers, thank you for your support, and we'll see you on our next video. Thank you.